So we got all the goodies done. These are the autumn pocket tags. And we got them all done with our lace, keys, ribbons. They're really cute. They've got backing paper that comes in the kit. This is the sunflower ones. See the, I taped all those together so they would stick up right, but you print everything with a backing paper if you want. This is your creation because so you can do whatever you want, but on the base is a vintage library card. I put from the Library of Learning on it, and again, that's the backing. Kind of got something on it there. And that was this was the sunflower one, and this is the pumpkin backing. So I coordinated those, but this is the pumpkin library card, or one of the pumpkin library cards. There's two different sunflowers and two different pumpkins, and I really love the little butterflies. And I recommend to print it on cardstock because you want it kind of thick, but the pockets turned out really well. And like I said, you can put it together however you like. I really enjoyed putting the ribbon on the back and the little keys. So another sunflower one, and I love the vintage music. So love that. And let's go ahead and show lots of goodies in there. The vintage tickets, postcard, little stamps. This is the other pumpkin. So we'll put those back together in a minute. And our other butterfly set. So and all of its goodies, little keys, all that. Really turns out adorable. So you can put it together however you want. That's part of junk journaling. You can do whatever you want. You can add more things onto it. I kind of try to leave everything as much as I made it, since I'm selling it in a kit. So you get to be the creative one. Let's go ahead and put all this stuff back together so we can end on a pretty view. I kind of did it like this. I kind of like things sticking out the side. It's your preference. It's really bright out here, so I hope I've stayed on camera. Let's put this one back together. That's what I all taped together. I think I like the card, the big music card in the back. Here we go. Love the keys. I bought the keys in a set of like 100, and they're just adorable. So many different kinds. So, all right, bye.